Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am here to show you guys the Supreme Astra. This is going to be the 24. This is going to be a zero clearance fireplace, so that means it can be framed directly into the wall. It does not require any type of masonry application. Now this particular Astra is going to be shown with the clean face option, which is super nice for those contemporary homes. They do have a really nice handle design, which makes it super easy to open your firebox door. All Supreme products have a nice thick gasket on the firebox door, and inside the firebox they have a cast iron lining with the brick pattern. You do have two damper controls located at the top, your primary air control and your secondary air control. There are no air tubes in this particular model because it's been replaced with this top stainless steel baffle, which has the air holes in it, but you're still going to get that nice secondary burn. All of the Supreme products burn super clean, and the glass burns really nice as well. So this is going to be the Astra 24. 24 stands for 2.4 cubic feet on the firebox. Really hope that you guys found this product overview helpful. If you guys like these videos, please don't forget, give me a thumbs up, click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.